what she doesn't see.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a year, just had a hiatus, but I'm back. Anyways, so this was a before of my room. This is the back of the door. I had a few photos, and then I had Christmas lights on the side of the room. And here's a picture of it so you can see the full perspective. So the first thing I did was buy a comforter set at Walmart. It was only $50, and here's a video. So I took off the picture that was on the front of the door. And when you enter, I moved the dresser from here to there. And then I moved the bed to over here. The nightstand, and then this is where I keep my phone. And then I put a full body mirror on the wall. And then in my closet, I put the nightstand over there. Also, I added this little, I don't know what I would call this, but it has a butterfly on top. And I just hooked it onto the window panel thing. The next step I did to redecorate my room was adding Christmas lights to the opposite wall. To replace the gold mirror and the board, I put a heart photo wall up, and this is how it looks close up. I really like it. After doing the photo wall, I put this painting on top of my bed, and I thought it matched my photo wall perfectly. Then I purchased a desk and chair because I've been wanting a desk for the longest, and since I'm doing online school this year, I thought it was a perfect time to get one. So thank you to my dad for helping me. And these are just some additional pictures. I wanted more blue in my room, so I bought these wall stickers and I put them on my door, the front of my door. And I also put them in a corner of the room. That's a little room decor. I wanted to put something on the back of my door, so this is what I made in 6th grade. And I colored it and made it more prettier, and then I taped it on the back of my door. I added a diamond lamp to the nightstand, and I put a purse next to the front of the door. And then this is just an overview of my room. This is a little close-up to my desk. I have a stereo, pencil holder, Polaroid, prayer journal, Bible, and then this is my board. So that's the end of this video, but if you continue watching, you'll see the before and after of my brother's rooms because I redecorated both of their rooms also. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.